Clean and rinse the chicken wings. Cut into 2 pieces from joints. Put all spices in a bowl and add yogurt, vinegar and mix it. Put all wings and marinate for 30 minutes. Take a double-sided pan. You can take any open pan with lid. Brush the oil and put all marinated wings and cover with other side. Keep it on medium to high flame for 7 to 10 minutes. Now lift the other side and change the sides of wings. Add 1 cup of water and change the side of the pan. Keep the flame low. All spices and wings have been cooked and all the gravy has stick to the wings. Put off the flame. Put red chili, chili flakes, salt and butter in a pan and keep it on medium to low flame. Cook it until gets thick. Hot flaming sauce is ready. Take baking pan or tray and lined aluminum sheet. Add the steamed chicken wings one by one to the sauce and coat. Keep it in an aluminum sheet lined baking tray. Chicken wings are evenly coated with sauce. Bake it at 250 degrees for 15 minutes on upper rack of the oven. Take out the wing tray from oven. The wings have turned golden brown. Hot flaming wings are ready. Dish out and garnish it with salad of your own choice.